Hello friends, today we are going to see how to fix this bubble magic gun. So the battery cells are connected. The problem is when we trigger this, the fan is not rotating. So first let me dismantle this. There are 5 screws actually. One here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me remove all the 5 screws. Friends, I have removed the screws. See, when I press this trigger, the fan blade is not rotating. So I have to remove this first, battery cells. So I have removed the battery cells. I have removed the panel. So the mechanism is very simple. There is only one micro switch, the button switch, then a DC motor, 2 LEDs, this is the switch. So my guess is this switch has some issue. So let me replace the switch using this switch. This click sound should come actually when we press this. The problem with this switch is it has 4 pins. So friends, I have assembled the button. You can see it is blue color. This is the new button. So friends, it is turning on now. The problem was with this switch actually, micro switch. Let me assemble this. So friends, it is assembled now. Let me turn it on. It is working friends. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.